Nothing like when pocket full of cash. Many hungry days me used to face, me can't forget. It's a celebration every time we link up, yeah. When them rich no fuck like say we robber bring shot, yeah. Everybody happy, come make we pop a buckle. Just enjoy yourself.
Good morning, guys. It is the wee hours of the morning, and I am getting ready to go to my favorite place on earth. Okay. You ready, Daddy? Okay. Gonna see Grandma. Gonna see Squatty. Raquel. Everybody. And Gargamel. Yeah, guys, this trip is really about seeing Buju. I just wanted to be a part of history and see his first performance since being released. So I'm like, yeah, I have to be there. So yeah, on my way. Booked my ticket and didn't even realize that I'm departing from Newark. I'm so annoyed because I hate having to drive to Jersey, but such is life. Oh, the fit today, I'm wearing ripped denims, slippers. I don't even know what the temperatures are right now. It's probably like 40 something degrees. I don't care. I'm not like gonna weigh myself down with like a lot of unnecessary shit. Yeah. Oof, shit. God, bump my toe, what I mean. Anyway, yeah, I'll come back to you guys. Bye.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get the message I sent you yesterday? The screenshot. I sent you a screenshot of a text message that I got.
No, it's nothing. So.
Are you serious? No. So I posted like a clip from your birthday dinner.
Mm-hmm.
And remember that girl who was on the flight that recognized me and gave me the wine?
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, so she sent me a message. She was like, "Oh, happy birthday to your dad." And she was like, "Seeing this, I remember on the flight when he was on my flight, my colleague gave him one peanut, and your father looked at the peanut and looked and turned around and looked at him." She said she didn't even say another word. She just get some more.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, that sounds like him. You didn't get that text message? Yes. Let me see you remember it. I'm like, oh my God. That is the funny. Can't be myself no way. I say, I can't be myself no way. Oh my God. That's funny.
Is that the time when I leave it on my phone or something in the bathroom?
In the bathroom, yes. And she found it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
That was Cheryl. Cheryl, we're talking about you. I am Bazak. I am making my way to my gate now. Daddy made me leave the house mad early. So I'm here hella early. Which is quite a change from like, you know, like all the anxiety and all that stuff associated with running late, which I normally am. So, yeah. A lot of time to spare. And I met this really, really nice guy. What do you call them? A porter or whatever? Anyway, he like, even though my ticket is like economy, he checked me in as though I were first class. So he like took my bags, all this stuff, blah, 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 like zoomed right through. Not an issue. So, yeah. So now I am making my way over to the gate. I wish I brought my book so I could have read. I don't have anything to read. Maybe I'll listen to some music to keep myself occupied. Anyway, I will check back in with you guys later. Bye.
at the airport. Track suit, I'm an Air Force.
Anyway, as I like to say, midaya. I am here waiting on the squad. He says that he's here. Yeah, look what film can't sneak up on me this time. Let us see. Let's see who spots who first. Pocketbook on the ground right there. You know, I have to keep an eye on it. These people swift like lightning. Guys, it is so hot. It's 85 degrees, I'm told. Hey! Hey! Oh, is that me? Look who they are. Look who they are. Oh my God. Guys, do you see what's greeting me as soon as I get in the car? Sugar Kid. Ah, she's Danish. Bob. This is what we have to love him, guys. Oh, this is what we have to love him. Squad now left for out. No time. No time. Oh my God. I'm going to say what to eat first. What to eat first. I've got choices, you guys. What do you know what I'm going to do it first, all right? What do you know?
Cut the plane a land.
I'm going to cut that land.
A good thing the people in the delay then.
Yeah, tell them.
A only good thing only for people in there.
Brownstown Market, you guys. The road bad like what?
People are us up on the side.
You see, a lot of these people from like where? St. Elizabeth or something?
Huh?
I said a lot of these people from St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth, yeah.
Right?
St. Elizabeth.
With the peppers and the cabbage.
All both them come from.
Yeah.
Cribbits and corner. Look for one great Christian. Alright.
Where is she? The brownie. Coming in from work. Hunting. Hi, Brownie. Oh my God. We're about to go work, guys. We got work to do. Work. Tell them about the crisis journey.
Good.
Oh, well, wait, you can't buy a... Oh, no, not a plastic bag.
No, the market bag. But
You have to buy the big market bag.
it don't make sense you buy one big market bag just to carry one item.
$200.
$200.
It costs more than the item.
It's for the environment, you guys. It's for your children and your grandchildren. Look
What?
at the bigger picture.
Yeah, but the government must replace it with paper bags.
Yes.
That is true.
Give us paper bag.
That is true.
People on my son.
That's true. Like, you know, Whole Foods gives you paper bags.
Yeah.
Paper bags, that's true.
The man tell you, say, I don't have no bag. So I said, so what am I going to do? Provide box. When they look on the box, I want box things.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jamaica slack, like, whoa. Whoa.
Consumer affairs, you need to look into that, you know. Consumer affairs.
You have a point. You guys need to provide the folks with paper bags.
Yes.
You must have an option. You can't be selling goods and not giving the people any options as to how to get it out and how to carry it.
And the bag they're provided more expensive than the thing you're buying.
Yes.
Anything you have, sir?
Real talk.
Jamaica slap, man.
Serious thing. It's not bad.
Yeah, and the bag are 150.
That is a problem.
Yeah.
That is a problem. Guys, I'm telling Jermaine that I want to go to bush with him, but like this weekend's not his like bush weekend or whatever. So like, I don't know. Plus we have so much to do. Like it's Thursday right now. Tomorrow I've got errands, and I want to go to the beach. Huh? Wow. I'm not on the phone. Go ahead. Wow. Why? You drive? Right.
Come on, Daddy,
Are you serious?
Give me the key. I don't want water. Tell me, come on. Say gladly. What's wrong with me, Patsy?
No, stop.
Say gladly.
Gladden. No, so. See one day. All right, guys. Wait. So it's been decided, okay? We are going to bush tomorrow. Me and Raquel, Tara, squad. Y'all got bush? And the boys are saying that they're gonna be supervising, okay? So me and Raquel are gonna move the cow.
But I feel like what I'm managed to do because I'm a daughter of a farm. I don't know what
I think I can manage too. And we have to carry water to the cow, and apparently the water is far from the cow. But you think we can manage it?
People know Chrissy what going on.
Alright guys, so tomorrow morning a bush settings ready. Bush settings. But wear. Without the sneakers, no, never wear.
Why you wear that?
What about me wear? We will find something for you.
The water bottle there we can buy.
No man, we find something for you man, because you're not going to escape, you know.
Guys, I'm not ready. I'm not ready for the ticks bites. What else other kind of bites? Jeremy, I think I need a water boot, you know. You need a water boot? No? So I'm going to wear.
I'm the water boot if you can't go in there.
How far is the bush?
Not far.
Like walking. Oh, that's it?
Yeah, my because you're that shape.
We're fit.
Yeah.
We're fit.
One tree
All right.
Run and walk. Like in the school.
What have we signed up for, you guys? So we're going to bush tomorrow. We're going to go move cows and do whatever else people do with bushes, okay? So, yeah. I'm ready. Uncle Wally? Where? Guys, we're about to go surprise my uncle. We're going to jump in the back of the car and tell him we want a charter. This car? Charter.
And nothing should be done to unlawfully.
What? Driver. Alexandra, please. What's up? There, man. To them, come, just go.
Which would constitute a breach.
Reach it at all.
What's the Mexican they gonna kill me? You're again like for cinema.
Each side will firstly consult with the other.
Oh my God.
Brother, me glad for the rock, you know.
look, me look, me have this one. That one they good, that one they good. Yeah, me brother. You know if you make that happen, man. One, it's not running around that one, man.
Oh my God.
Say in a place.
In a
Yeah, I'm going to
place.
surprise you, Cindy.
Come in for Buju, man. Come check out Buju.
Easy, man.
Check out Buju, our running back, you know?
You know, boss.
Hey. Jeremy, you had an auntie house?
Yeah.
I see some progress there.
I'm trying to lose my
Hey. Oh. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Let's go see what's going on in here. Hi, Grandma. Oh, God. Hey, girls, you guys. We've got Michaela over there having her ice cream. We've got Ali with the sad face. Ali, why do you look sad? Are you tired? What's going on? Huh? And we've got Baby over there. Big Irby, yeah. I got the best greeting when I saw them. I went to go pick them up from choir practice? Choir practice. And they saw the car. They knew it was the bees. Auntie Sandy! He's excited. I don't know why he looks like that anymore. Tell me why you look like that. What's going on? You're not happy to see me? You want me to go back home? You want me to go back home?
No.
Yeah, you want me to go back home? Yeah?
No.
Yeah, sure?
No.
Because the way your face is looking, I feel like I want to go pack my bags and go home right now. Should I go pack my bags? What say you, Michaela? Should I go pack my bags?
No.
All right, fine. What did you guys name the puppies? What are their names? Huh?
Big Z. No, Big Z.
Which one is Big Z?
I had the video on my tablet.
Which one is Big Z? Oh, but what about these puppies? What are they called?
Lily Willy. No, Auntie might give me one nickname.
What?
Lily Willy.
Which one is Lily Winnie? The brown one?
Yeah.
What about the other one?
Shaggy.
Shaggy?
Shaggy Joswell. Shaggy Joswell.
He has moms?
I'm Michael
Griffin. I'm Brian Rackfo.
Oh, that's a cute book?
Yes.
Now, we own a cupcake shop.
And we always play with the other one.
Bro, it's light, it's sleek, it's fast. I'm able to draw a couple
Oh, that's cute. Aww.
Same there.
Oh,
And
she's
it's shorter than Lily Willy. It's shorter than Lily Willy.
She's cute. Guys, I've never seen my Auntie Maureen in pants. I just asked her, Auntie Maureen, you wear pants? She said in the yard, but not on the road. Why not on the road? Why?
Huh?
Why?
I'm not really used to it like that. I'm not really used to it like that.
Sammy, is something wrong with pants? Something wrong with pants?
No.
Is something wrong with pants? Women wearing pants.
Pants.
Is something wrong with women wearing pants?
No, but Maureen, about to touch your roast down, bro.
You used to wear pants.
No more. You about some of your pants.
Oh, never in Jamaica?
Yes, ma'am. You got no pants at all.
She's wearing pants in Jamaica?
Even though about what's in your pants, you can't shoot. Them, just a them one.
Why? If you come back in a pantsuit, Sammy, that mean you wear pants in Jamaica.
No, but we are out here, brother. We are out here. So when I come, when I come, me come to Jamaica.
So you landed in Pantsu, but you never wore it on the island. You never really wore it. Okay. So what's the difference? Why would you wear the Bahamas?
He said that come here, he's not the guys. What kind of here, come back? Well, you must hear him Bahamas. You over there. I'm afraid I picked them watch. Then there was okay.
Well, they'll say you're ungodly if you wear it over here. You see me? But you're not Seventh-day Adventist.
Which one?
Oh, okay. Christians? I use your rag, so I see how much rag I bring you back. But you use your rag about me. So I bring them back. You can't say I'm going to replace them. The stove going, I'm like, what is going on? I come in here, this little one. What are you doing, Michaela? You're cooking? Or are you warming up your rice? Which one? Michaela, man, you know, are you serious? So you know how to use the stove? Yeah? Eh? You can't even reach it properly. All right, Michaela. How old are you, Michaela? Huh? 7? Are you 7 or 6? How old are you? 7. This is Jamaica, you guys. Okay, we start them very, very young. Very young, okay. Uber useful. She feels hungry and she just like, you know what? I'm gonna warm up my food. And here she is, 7 years old. Smells good, Michaela. Is it finished? It's done? Okay.
This little one is cooking rice and peas and fried chicken.
Is it? Be careful, Al. Don't touch it. Leave it.
What's a spoon?
This video's gone viral. A woman feeding strawberries to a
You
giant
want to end up so much rice?
lying in a snow-covered field, slowly putting those berries directly into that bear's mouth.
Careful, Al.
Big spoon, rice and peas on fried chicken. Maki is not a servant. He's a king, man. And that the yogi sabi. You have to get 9.
I'm just so fascinated, you guys. All right. All right. Go ahead, Michaela. Such a big girl.
Yes, we do indeed. What a beautiful mother she is.
So helpful, right? Go ahead, Michaela.
Michaela himself.
Power of prayer. A woman says God saved her life. What stopped the
7 years old, you guys.
Just feet away.
7 years old.
Plus, a mob hit on the streets of New York City. As police search for the killer, Mary Murphy gives us a closer look at the history of hits in New York.
Yourself no bed no bar.